So this week we've had a company of actors, musicians, all sorts that have come to us from Theatre Clwyd who have literally taken over our entire school.
They've been doing music and drama and dance, and many of the students have been involved with it. It's really been fun.
It's just gone absolutely fabulously well. They arrived on Monday. I think it was a bit of a surprise for the children. They didn't know what was going on at first.
What? With Lysander? Ah, with Demetrius!
Fear not, gentle Highness, she shall not harm thee.
No, sir, she shall not, though you take her part.
Oh, when she is angry, she is cunning and shrewd. She was a vixen when she went to school.
So when we came into the mornings, it was just different things every day.
The band sing a load of different songs because you had R&B, pop, classical.
It's been a really encouraging experience for the children. I think they were a bit reticent to start off with, a little bit nervous.
Babes, what are you doing here?
Don't you babes me!
Whoa, 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 whoa! What do you mean?
I know about your date, and that you don't really love me, and that you've never loved me!
The enthusiasm and the positive attitude has been the most noticeable thing. Learners who at the beginning of the week were a bit hesitant, by the end of the week are really excited to do anything and be involved in any shape or form.
It's been amazing to see how enthusiastically the children have got involved in it, really.
I think if people are willing to express themselves, it will only benefit them in their own attitudes and positivity for school.
There's drop boxes all around the school.
They have boxes in certain areas, suggestion boxes.
Culminated in 3 marvellous performances today, on the last day, and you could see, I think, from the audience reaction just how much they enjoyed it.
I've been asked to sing with them, and it's really scary, but I'm really excited at the same time.
Me writing that song was right up my street, to be honest, because I love music, I love getting involved with music.
We're from Wales. Where are you from?
My family and I are from Poland.
Oh, cool. We've never been there.
It's the big smiles on the faces really that's been really important.
It's been really fun and funny.
It's amazing, and it makes the school day much better. When I woke up, I was like, yes, it's school.